Bending text in xTool Studio is pretty easy. I gotta admit, I'm more familiar doing it in Lightburn, but it's just as easy actually in xTool Studio. So just go grab a text tool, type out whatever you want to type out, select your font, and then click away. And you'll see this little handle off to the side. And you can bend that to a full circle or to anything close to it. If you just need it a little bit, do that. If you need it reverse, do that. But I was testing this piece of wood because I've got a job to do. And this is one of my scraps. So I just want to see how this works out on that wood before I go damage our real piece, and thought I'd do a quick video. I believe this is beech wood as well as the piece that I've got to do for a customer. So that's what I've selected here. I'm just going to run it and see what happens. Well, folks, this started out as just how to bend text in xTool Studio, which is a good thing in itself. But you got a twofer because you never want to damage a customer's product if you can help it. So it's good to have some similar like materials around so you can do some testing before you go final. So I appreciate you folks watching. Just check back often for more videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.